Today I'm going to show you how to see connected accounts in X, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is useful if you want to check which services, apps, or accounts are linked to your X account and review your account access for security reasons. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com and make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left navigation bar. You'll want to click on See More. This is where X keeps additional account options and settings that are not shown in the main menu. After you click More, a menu will appear. From that menu, click Settings and Privacy. This section gives you access to your account preferences, privacy controls, and security settings. Next, on the Settings page, click Security and Account Access. This is the area where you can manage login security, connected devices, app access, and other account-related permissions. Now click Connected Accounts. Here you'll be able to see the accounts that are connected to your X profile. This is the section to review if you want to understand what services are linked and make sure everything looks correct. And that's it. You've now found the Connected Account section in X or Twitter. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.